I need a makeover. My hairs are too long. I need to cut. Let's go cut it. So guys, I'm done with my makeover. Hi everyone, my name is LOYA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll be doing Heinou Ametpa, a typical Manipuri style of eating green mango. So I'll show you how to make it, how to eat it. So let's get started. So guys, start with the green mango. We'll quickly peel off. Okay. I don't know, this mango will be tasty as I'm thinking, but it's okay. When I was a kid, my sister and her friend used to eat a lot, and I really wanted to eat that, but they always stopped me, saying that you are just a kid, don't eat more, you will have diarrhea, this, that, blah blah blah. Make sure you peel it nicely. I'll take one more. Actually now is winter, but in Bangalore we are getting the green mango, so I thought today I will eat and show it to you people. If it is too cold, I'm sure you will not feel like eating this particular style of eating mango. This one is kind of ripe, R-I-P-E. Okay, so once the mango is ready, take the green chili, like how much you want to put as per your taste. Okay, and break it into pieces. I'll put all of them. Now you can slice the mango like this and mix with the green chili. It's not easy to slice the mango. I think one mango is enough. It's very easy to make this style of eating the green mango. You have to just peel it off, slice it, add green chili, salt and pudina. That's it. And it tastes really amazing. And you can eat after lunch probably, and you can eat this when you are sleepy, especially for the sunny day. It's very good to eat. I think this should be enough. Let me just check. No, we can still add a bit more. Now add the salt. on green chilies, and you can paste it like this. It's very simple. Break the green chili, add the salt, slice the mango, and now you can mix this way. Some more, you can break the chilies with the help of your hand. Add a little bit more salt. Salt, mango slice, and green chili are mixed properly now. It's time to add pudina. Take the pudina and mix it. Again, mix it properly so that the taste, the flavor of pudina should get it. So guys, that's it. Take the green mango, peel it, slice it, add green chili, break it into pieces, add the salt, mix it properly, and this is one of the best way to eat green mango, especially for summer. It's ready to eat. Let's eat. So guys, that was it. Now let's try. It's really tasty. It's been a very long time I haven't tried. It's amazing. Don't forget to try it. So guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep YouTubing. Bye bye.